My name is Mary. I'm a teacher from Ukraine, and I would like to ask you, what was the best thing that happened to you during the week? Could you share?
Yes, ma'am. I really like to share. Today was my last day of my exams, and I'm going to reach class 4. I'm really excited, and my holidays are going on actually, and yeah, that is the best thing that happened in this week. And I'm just thinking about you when we will come to do our next class. I just missed you so much.
Great, me too. It's super that you coped with all exams and you feel freedom. Okay, that's perfect. Who else wants to share? What was the best that happened? Okay. Yes, Vincent.
It's my last and Friday it was my last day of my class, online class. That I then it was a term break. I'm feeling very happy and excited, and I pray to the God that when I will reach class 4, this please reopen the school. I want to go to school and see my teachers again, and
Cool.
and here I can sleep longer time so that nobody will disturb me and I could sleep peacefully longer.
Yeah,
And
it's
now,
something great that can happen with us to sleep long time and have rest. That's true.
ma'am,
Yeah,
may I show you something?
sure. Wow, what is that? It's your favorite house that you want
It's
to
a
have?
castle. It's a castle.
Castle. Oh, wow. Okay. Do you want to live in a castle?
Yes, ma'am?
Do you want to live in a castle?
I wish, but I like to live in my own house.
Okay. Super. I like the colors there. It's so bright. Great. Okay, Johan, maybe you have something to share with us?
This week I went outside. That was best about the week. I went outside. That is it.
Uh-huh. So you mean that you like being outside mostly, right?
Yes.
Uh-huh. Wow. What do you usually do outside? Meeting with friends?
Yeah,
Playing football?
Yeah. Meeting with friends, play with them.
Team? You are a team player. Okay, I got it. And you like active things. Okay, same. Okay, let's switch. Let's switch to the game. Remember the last time we had a game with letters. This time it would be something close to it, but a little bit different. Okay, I will share the screen and show you. Let me know when you see my screen. Okay, do you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Super. Okay, so we have rounds, as you see. It could be first, second, third round, and you have 4 lives, and you have from the left side scores, okay, that you can guess. You need to guess the 5-letter word, and you have the first and last one letter. As you may see, the green ones that are provided for you, you need to choose which one would be in the middle. Let's guess. And spell this letter.
You?
Yeah, you, because it can be.
Oh no, it's incorrect for this time. Let's guess this one.
Ma'am, P.
P. Let's check P. Yeah, it's correct.
This one will be H.
H. Let's try H. Wow, very good.
A.
A.
Shape.
A. Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, let's check. Shape. Super. That's good. Okay. What is shape? Chelsea, what is shape?
A shape is a closed figure.
Yeah, okay. It could be something like round or triangle, right?
Yeah.
Where? Okay, very good. Let's continue. You get 50 points, all of you. Round 2.
L. 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 L.
L.
L.
Correct. Super.
M. M. M.
M.
M. Very good.
I.
I.
So, you're doing great. 100 points for you. So, Saint, are you ready to explain what is smile?
Smile is something which we express our something when someone gives something which we are glad.
Yeah. Okay, some emotion, right? You can see it in our face.
Some smile is a way to express happiness.
Happiness. Okay, very good. Do you like to smile?
Yes.
Of course, we like to smile. Even if we had, for example, a bad mood, if we could have smiles on our face, it started to be better and better. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
It's something like fake it till you make it, you know? Okay, let's move. Well done. So let's move to the presentation. I'm going to share again the screen for you. And let's see what we have. And we need to discuss a quotation. Could you read out loud, please, Johan?
Okay. Discuss a quotation. There's nothing either good or bad, but thinking makes it so.
Good, very good. Chelsea.
Yeah. So basically, I have to tell what the quote means, right?
Yeah. You need to share your thoughts about this. Do you agree or you disagree with this one, or maybe you have something to add?
I agree with this one since it says that there is nothing good or bad, but only thinking makes it whether it's good or bad. So it tells on how people are different and how each person thinks different of another person.
Okay, thank you for your mind. What about Aishani?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
What's your point of view?
yes, ma'am. My point is that there are some people like thinking is good. And this thing we can either be good or bad. We think before doing something like, or it can be wrong or something like that.
Okay. Do you have something to add, maybe, Sainita?
No, ma'am. I don't have anything to add.
Yes, ma'am.
So maybe we have in a group somebody who doesn't agree with this one, no? No, everyone agrees. Okay, let's move further. We have an idiom. Let's learn a new idiom. And Sainita, please read out loud what is this and the explanation.
To have your head in the clouds, to be out of touch with reality, to be daydreaming.
Okay, very good. So, and did you know about that idiom before?
No.
Maybe some of you. No. Okay.
Yeah.
That's cool that you need to learn this because actually the idioms, if we use idioms, we can sound more professional, you know. Okay, advanced. And let's think about the question, how do you, or maybe when, okay? When do you usually have your head in the clouds? Okay? Who is ready to answer?
Can I do first?
Can I do first?
Uh, okay, yeah, please proceed.
So mostly when I have my head in the clouds is like when I am in school, when I'm in the class, in my school, like during lunchtime. So
Uh-huh.
so because of Corona protocols, we can't sit together. So each person has to
Okay.
sit on a different bench. So during the lunchtime, I'm always daydreaming that what if this happened? What if this happened?
Yeah, okay. I understand you. Okay, maybe SIS. Remember, when do you usually have your head in the clouds? But you have to choose the person, the next person.
Okay, yes.
Who?
I will ask Oishani because she is a nearest classmate of ours.
Okay.
So, Oishani, when did you have your head in the clouds?
I basically have my head in the clouds. Means sometimes it's very rare I don't have my head in the clouds. I always imagine and dream about something and something is going in my head all the time. I don't know, means sometimes it's some TV show or some book or something due or maybe some of my imagination or something. I basically have that.
Uh-huh. Interesting. Okay, that's true. What about Jishan?
Yes, ma'am. I commonly have my head in the clouds when I'm writing something. I just imagine what to write, and I just go into a different world, like the universe, dreamland, a world full of chocolate. I just imagine anything when I'm writing a story or something like
Oh, okay. So next time I offer you to continue with emotions, with topic emotions, and we'll try to discuss a little bit on that point and see what kind of emotions do we have. So let's try to think during the next week, and then we will tell each other, okay? Share with each other what kind of emotions did you get and why. Good? Very good. Okay. Then see you next time, and I really, really wish you the great week and best emotions.